It's time for the 10th Gershom Awards.
At the outset, I must thank Dr. Joseph for giving me 1 minute more. I always feel very uncomfortable when I look at the program and see the time allotted. We were allotted 3 minutes. I am not used to speaking for 3 minutes. Don't take it as a threat. I started my career as a teacher in a college. And a teacher prepares for 1 hour of lecture. You start and then you will stop only at the stroke of bell. And during 35 years of my service in the Indian Air Force Service, we don't talk. We only push files. But after that, I got into public life. And in public life, as you know, all that you need is a mic. And we Keralites know very well that from one end to the other end of Kerala, if you go, you will find people talking without audience. Audience will be somewhere, but the speech is there with the mic. And when you have a mic and an audience, then where will we contain it to 3 minutes? Honorable Minister, I just wanted to know from him in what language I should speak. Okay, that's all right. Now they have given the freedom. When the Chief Guest has given the freedom. Dear friends, I am so happy and proud to be here. Proud to be in this function and proud to be in my dear friend Dr. Joseph's complex. I welcome him into this campus for this function. We have in Kannada a saying, Murti chikkadadaru, Kirti doddadu. Though the figure is small, the reputation is very large. So Joseph is an example of that. Joseph is an example. His reputation has gone to even Maldives, and he is the representative, official representative ambassador of, without passing IFS like our friend Venu. He has become an ambassador of Maldives in India. Dear friends, I feel proud for another reason, that I happen to have the privilege of being in the first award giving ceremony. They showed it on the TV, but I was looking at that with great pride. And Jins Joseph and his colleagues have made it possible for this to be continued with great efficiency. ജോർജ് സാറ് നമ്മുടെ കർണാടകയിലെ മലയാളികൾക്കൊരു അഭിമാനമാണ്. കേരളത്തിൽ ജനിച്ച് കർണാടകയിൽ വന്ന് വളരെ വർഷം ഇവിടുത്തെ പൊതുജീവിതത്തിൽ സജീവമായി പങ്കെടുത്ത് വലിയ വിലയേറിയ സംഭാവനകൾ നൽകി 3 പ്രഗത്ഭരായ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രികളുടെ ക്യാബിനറ്റ് മന്ത്രിസഭയിൽ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പോർട്ട്ഫോളിയോ വെച്ച് മന്ത്രിയായി. അങ്ങനെ നമുക്കെല്ലാം ഒരു അഭിമാന പാത്രമായ ജോർജ് സാറിനെ ഞാൻ വന്ദിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇവിടെ വേറൊരാളിരിപ്പുണ്ട്, ഐവൻ ഇഗ്ലി. ഞാൻ ഈ ജിൻസിനോട് പറയാൻ പോവുകയാണ്, അടുത്ത തവണ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ അവാർഡ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻസിൽ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്ത ആളെന്ന നിലയിൽ ഐവൻ ഇഗ്ലിക്ക് ഒരു അവാർഡ് കൊടുക്കും. കാരണം അത് മുഴുക്ക് നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പൊതുപ്രവർത്തകനാണ് ഐവൻ ഇഗ്ലി. ഞങ്ങളുടെയൊക്കെ ഒരു സുഹൃത്താണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ വേദിയിലിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവരും പേരെടുത്ത് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും അറിയാം. വളരെ പ്രഗത്ഭനായ ഒരു ബിസിനസ്സുകാരനാണ്. എല്ലാവരും ബിസിനസ്സുകാരാണ്. പക്ഷേ ഗോകുലം ഗോപാലിനോടുള്ള എനിക്ക് ഉള്ള ബഹുമാനവും ആദരവും, അദ്ദേഹം ഒരു വലിയ മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജ് തിരുവനന്തപുരത്ത് സ്ഥാപിച്ചു. ഒരു എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ ജോസഫിനെ പോലെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു ചിന്തകൻ ഒരിക്കൽ പറഞ്ഞു, ഇഫ് യു ഹാവ് 2 coins, make use of one to make wealth and make use of the other to buy roses for your soul. Make use of the other coin to buy roses for your soul. So these are all people who have purchased roses for their soul by their work in different fields, and Gershom is honoring them. So Mr. Benadethan, particularly I appreciate you, not for the big financial empire that you built, that is your efficiency, but you have established a medical college where hundreds and thousands of medical graduates will be trained for years to come. Big contribution, and I appreciate you for that. So I can't speak about everybody because I don't know much about that. And I see in the audience some people whom I have to mention, the presence of the president and secretary of the oldest Malayali association in Bangalore. I think people who do not know that know that. We call it Muttashi organization, grandmother organization. I also had the privilege of being its president for some time, but Radhakrishnan, C.P. Radhakrishnan and Reggie Kumar have been the president. Why don't you get up? Let all but see that. Reggie is there, Reggie Kumar is there. Yeah. And I must recognize the presence of Mrs. Leda Nambudiri. I say this because they also belong to a family where they buy roses with a coin. They make money and also buy roses for their soul. She and her husband have been supporters and people who encouraged almost all the cultural organizations in Bangalore. So I think I must recognize you and convey our appreciation to your husband, Mr. Nambudiri, who is a good friend of mine. I'm sure all of you will agree with me if I say that I recognize the presence of a nightingale. Will you please get up? All of them saw you and heard you. But sir, it was an experience to listen to her song. And she transported all of us to a different world. And in the course of her presentation, she mentioned that she's from Dubai. So I asked my friend Venu, have you met her in Dubai? And he said, no. And how is it that you could have missed a person and a talented artist like this? So he will come and talk to you. We all appreciate you for the beautiful songs that you gave. Dear friends, Venu has mentioned, I take the liberty of taking because he's a dear friend. I don't say Your Excellency and all that. Venu has mentioned certain qualities for being a good Malayali. I wanted to add one quality, one additional quality for being a good Malayali is that he should not be in Kerala. Only when he goes out of Kerala, he becomes a good Malayali. And I think we are giving award to people who have gone out of Kerala and contributed well in their chosen fields. By giving this award, we are recognizing what you have done. We are appreciating what you have done. We are encouraging you to do more. There is a saying that whatever talent that you have of singing or speaking or painting or wealth, whatever talent you have is a gift which God not giving you, which God gives through you. It is not a gift given by God to you, it is a gift given by God through you. So all your talents or money or this must be used for others. And the purpose of Gershom in honoring this is that to encourage people who have done this, who have sacrificed their time and money for others, and to encourage more and more people to come to this field. We also want you to be the ambassadors of India in the countries where you work. Mr. Venu has already mentioned that we are not, all Keralites are very proud of being Indians. You are familiar with that K.V. Puttappa's Kuvempu's song that which says, Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujade, Jai Karnataka Mate. It's a very popular song here. Karnataka Mate is the daughter of Jaya Bharata Janini, of Bharata Janini. Kerala is also the daughter of Bharata Janini. Therefore, Kerala and Karnataka are sisters. We have that relationship. Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujade. This is a very form. Jaya He Karnataka Mate. We can also sing Jaya Bharata Jananiya Tanujade. Jaya He Kerala Mate. So all Keralites must remember that we are the children of this family. And that is what Mr. Venun has suggested as an ambassador of India in several countries, and now sitting in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We must always be proud of being Indians first and Indians last. Kerala has a culture. It is a subculture of India. And Indians' culture is something about which we can be proud. The other day I had an opportunity to speak to a group in a school in Dubai, and I started by saying a simple song. It is not a song, these are words in the form of a song, which there were a number of Dubai local people, but they all started admiring the meaning in that. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Everybody knows that. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Loga Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Let all people live in happiness. Loga Samasta. It is not only people, the birds, animals, the flora and fauna, everything, the water, everything that is there in the universe created by the Supreme Being, let them be in harmony. Loga Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarve Sandhu Niramaya. Let all people live in perfect health and well-being. It's a prayer of India. And the whole people and I sang like that, and I made them sing. And I want you also to sing along with me. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Please. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Loga Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loga Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarve Sandhu Niramaya. Sarve Sandhu Niramaya. I sang this because this is the essence of Indian culture. We are above all religions, all castes and all that as the essential teaching. So Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, all members of the same family. These values which our president always speaks about, the core values of our civilization, must be spread by our people in different parts of the world. And that is one of the obligations which we from Garshom on this occasion give you, that when you go there, speak about India, not merely about the GDP and the economic growth and all that, but speak about what India has had to contribute to the world today. A world driven by strife and conflict and divisions on the basis of religion. And Kerala also has a lot to contribute. We have the great saying of Ullur Parameshwara Iyer, saying that for everything, the life is love. ഒരൊറ്റ മതമുണ്ടുലകിന്നുയരാം ഉയരാം പ്രേമമതൊന്നല്ലോ. ഒരൊറ്റ മതമുണ്ട് ഉലകിന്നുയരാം പ്രേമമതൊന്നല്ലോ. What a philosophy is. All religions are saying that. There is only one religion, and that is love. Sri Narayana Guru spoke about a society where we should only accept one God. So we have, that is our part, this is a subculture of India. So we should be messengers of this culture in the world which is conflict done. I'm always very fond of saying one small story which I have read somewhere, which I think some of you must have read. This is the story of doves. We always picture doves as symbols of peace, isn't it? Whenever there is an occasion, we make the doves fly. So there were a group of doves, they always live on the top of buildings. These doves were living on the top of a mosque. And when the Eid came, the priest there decided to whitewash the whole building. And there was disturbance. So the doves flew away from the mosque and they found at a convenient distance the dome of a big cathedral, Catholic cathedral. So they went and settled down on the top of that river. Then Christmas came. So the priest there started whitewashing the cathedral. So the birds flew to a Hindu temple, comfortable. And after some time, the temple priest wanted for the Utsava, the festival, they started renovating the building. So they flew back to the mosque, to the same place where they were living earlier. Suddenly, on the ground there was a lot of noise, galata, some bloodshed, fight and all that. So the young dove asked his mother, "Mummy, what is happening on the ground?" She said, "Can't you see what is happening? They are fighting, bloodshed and all that." "But what? Who are they? Who are they?" And the mother said, "They are human beings." "But what are human beings?" "Look here, my child. When we sit on the top of a mosque, we are doves. When we sit on the top of a cathedral, we are doves. When we sit on the top of the tower of a temple, we are doves." You know these people, human beings, when they go to a mosque, they are Muslims. When they go to a temple, they are Hindus. When they go to a church, they are Christians. That is why they fight. So doves, we doves are much better. That is why they fight and shed blood on the ground. We are comfortable on the top. We are nearer heaven. What a lesson that gives, ഒരൊറ്റ മതമുണ്ടുലകിന്നു ഈരാം പ്രേമമെന്നല്ലേ. So I think occasionally like this we should be able to create this message that we are all above religions, above castes, above languages, above provinces, and we are human beings. And I would request all the awardees to carry this message in the places where you are working, in the areas where you are working. And then finally, you have all heard about 2 lines of a Malayalam song. It runs like this: wherever you are, whatever dresses you wear, keep the sanctity of the mother's milk. Edu deshamayilum. You have heard this? Edu deshamagilum, ഏതു വേഷമേറിലും അമ്മതന്നമ്മിഞ്ഞ പാലിൻ്റെ മാധുര്യം കാത്തിടേണമേ. ഏതു ദേശമാകിലും ഏതു വേഷമേറിലും അമ്മതന്നമ്മിഞ്ഞ പാലിൻ്റെ മാധുര്യം കാത്തിടേണമേ. This is my request, message to all of you while congratulating you. Thank you very much.